Tara, let's explore Camden!
Hi guys, I'm Julius.
And I'm Tristan. We're chasing adventures one stop at a time. Welcome to our travel vlog. Hey mga Kalakwatsa! Welcome back sa London Autumn Adventure natin. Today, sasakay tayo ng Central Line para puntahan ang isa sa pinaka-unique at pinaka-eccentric spots dito sa London.
Tama! Today, Central Line at Northern Line ang gamit natin. Notice nyo ba, mas madalas tayong mag-tube kesa mag-bus dito. Kasi mas mabilis siya. Pero kung trip nyo naman mag-relax at makita yung views ng London, bus is always a great choice.
Speaking of bus, i-download nyo ang app na Bus Times. Super useful ito kasi live arrival time siya. Hindi nyo kailangang maghintay ng matagal. Perfect para efficient ang travel nyo dito.
By the way guys, the Northern Line has been running since 1819. Fun fact, alam nyo ba na ang deepest station sa buong London Underground ay yung Hampstead Station sa Northern Line. Nasa mga 58.5 meters or 192 feet to below ground level. Welcome to Camden Town. Super lively at eclectic na lugar to sa North London. Kilala sa rich cultural mix at dynamic vibes.
Mga Kalakwatsa, expect nyo na palaging madaming tao dito sa Camden Town dahil isa ito sa mga major tourist spots sa London. Fun fact, alam nyo ba? Camden has been a cradle for many music legends tulad ni na Amy Winehouse, The Clash, Blur, Oasis, at Coldplay.
Ang saya dito. Imagine, Camden Market was established 1974. Ngayon ay may higit na 1,000 stalls. Lahat andito na, from vintage fashion to one-of-a-kind crafts. Tapos, habang naglalakad ka, parang nasa street art museum ka rin. Lahat ng sulok may kulay at creativity.
Bukod pa dyan, ang Camden din ang naging tahanan ng mga artists, writers, at thinkers tulad ni na Virginia Woolf, George Bernard Shaw, at Karl Marx. Talagang inspiring ang combo ng history at modern art dito.
Fun fact! Noong late 1970s, naging epicenter ng British punk movement ang Camden. At sa 80s at 90s naman, lumago ang alternative rock scene dito with bands like Madness at The Smiths.
Beyond music at fashion, ang Camden ay sanctuary para sa mga alternative lifestyles. Open-minded at inclusive talaga dito. For that perfect IG shot, don't miss the iconic blue and yellow bridge na may Camden lock sign. Super Instagrammable.
Hanggang ngayon, kinikilala pa rin ang Camden bilang creative hub ng punk culture na talaga namang favorite spot ng mga taong mahilig sa individuality at artistic freedom. Tito tips, arrive early para maiwasan ng crowd lalo na weekends. And stay alert, petty crimes like phone thefts have been reported, so keep your belongings secure.
place is perfect for photos and strolls. May mga boats, bridges, street art, and market stalls na sobrang daming visual treats.
Tara, punta tayo sa food hub ng Camden. Grabe, dami ng food options at iba't ibang cuisines dito. Sure na hindi ka magugutom habang nag-e-explore sa Camden.
If fashion ang trip nyo, ang daming finds dito. Vintage clothes from 70s, 80s, 90s, leather jackets, faded band tees, pati alternative, punk, goth styles, lahat yan meron. Ang daming artworks dito. May Egyptian-inspired pieces. Grabe! May hand-painted shoes pa. Ang cool!
Mga Kalakwatsa, dito rin sa Camden makikita yung sikat na Instagrammable spot na puno ng colorful umbrellas. At ang dami pa ditong unique gifts, quirky toys, pop culture merch.
What's this?
Custom-made items at mga souvenirs na talagang sulit bilhin.
Walking through Camden, especially around Camden Town and the markets, feels like stepping into a lively, colorful, and creative world. Guys, pwede nyo rin itry ang pinipilahang Humble Crumble dito sa Camden. Siyempre, pasukin din natin ang yung fairytale-themed dessert shop, Hans and Gretel. Para kang nasa storybook world na puno ng sweets.
Wow!
Don't forget to check out the Winehouse Statue dito. Tribute sa sikat na English singer at songwriter.
Gutom na ba kayo guys? Sa Camden Market, sobrang dami ng pagkain. Mula sa street food stalls hanggang sa mga sit-down restaurants.
Isa sa pinakasikat ay yung funky chips overloaded fries with toppings. Medyo mahaba lang ang pila. Pwede nyo din siyang itry kapag nasa Camden kayo.
Since light snack lang ang hanap namin today, we tried bubble waffles with strawberry filling.
Sobrang sarap. Yung strawberries, juicy at medyo maasim. Perfect combo.
Ako naman, love ko yung contrast ng crispy waffles sa juicy fruit at smooth chocolate. Definitely Tito-approved! Punta tayo sa Cyberdog, isang bold at futuristic na clothing store. Imagine techno-rave vibes, UV lights, metallics, at cyberpunk style. Perfect to kung gusto mo ng unique, eye-catching pieces or just want to explore something different. Di ba ang cool? May DJ playing the music pa.
Kung trip nyong mag-dress up sa historic costume tulad ng Victorian, Wild West o Tudor era at magpa-professional photoshoot, try nyo ang Camden Old Time Photos. Super fun experience to.
And for the anime lovers, nandito ang Bandai Namco Cross Store Camden, kung saan madami kayong pwedeng makita na characters merch, plush toys, figures, trading cards, at madami pa.
Fun fact, may over 1,000 street food stalls dito sa Camden. Global flavors in one spot.
Tito tip, magdala ng cash at card kasi may stalls na cash only. Pero karamihan tumatanggap din ng cards. Strolling through Camden is like stepping into a vibrant jungle of street art, with food in one hand and creativity on the other. Camden is truly a gem in London. Thank you sa pagsama today, mga Kalakwatsa! To God be the glory. Thank you po, Lord.
Don't forget to like, comment, at subscribe para hindi nyo ma-miss yung next travel adventures natin. May suggestion ba kayo? Comment down below.
Check out these videos for your next London trip.